My friends! Nicholas Villars here, one half of the synth pop duo known as Superdivorce. What could it be now? We're gonna find out just shortly. I'm here with my young son Lazarus. Lazarus, please hand me today's package for opening.
This is kind of heavy, kind of light.
He says it's kind of heavy, kind of light. Now, I don't know what that means exactly. Kind of heavy, kind of light. Well, we'll find out what's in here, won't we? Alright, let's see if we can find out what's kind of heavy and kind of light. Cut into this here. Flip it over. Get this right here. Whoop! Whoop! And what could it be now? Well, it looks like it could be... Could it be? Could it be the coveted Macintosh Plus? Could it be? Could it be? Is this the coveted Macintosh Plus vinyl record? Is that what it is? It's got a spine, there's nothing written on it. A lot of people want this, don't they? Well, I've got a copy now. What is that right there? Let's see what we've got here. There's a supplemental piece of material here. What's this? Just unfurl it. Look at that. Isn't that fancy? Am I gonna hang this up? Should this? I think this might be worthy of getting framed. I might want to frame this. Wow. Finally arrived, didn't it? It's finally here after all this time. Yep. Produced, mixed, mastered by Vectroid in November of 2011. The Old English Spelling Bee. These people have they've gotten a lot of heat over at Old English Spelling Bee. A lot of people wanted this. A lot of people ordered it. A lot of people waiting, I believe, still on a copy of this. And here's mine. So after all this time, I open it up, and we've got it here. And I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I actually want to break the seal, or if I want to leave this one all sealed up and use it just for a display, because I can listen to the tunes anytime I want digitally, but I've never heard them vinylly. So I'm gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna have to figure that out. It's gonna be something I will have to consider and mull over. I'll let you know what happens. So thanks for watching. Until next time, y'all take real good care. Bye-bye. My friends, we are Superdivorce, a synth pop duo with a full-length album called Action Figures. You can listen to it on many streaming platforms, including Spotify, where you can follow us and keep up to date with all of our tunes. If you like what you hear, why not pick up a copy of Action Figures on CD, cassette tape, or vinyl record at superdivorceme.com, and grab a Superdivorce Rules t-shirt while you're there too. And hey, while you're here, please make sure that you've liked this video, sub to our channel, and bong the gong for notifications. We go live here every single day, so don't miss out on your chance to join us in real time for chats and the latest in pop culture news. We have a fantastic community, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. On top of daily vids and some rad tunes, we also produce a weekly podcast called the Superdivorce Supercast, with new episodes every Friday, as well as a comic book review show called Super Fanatics, a horror movie review show called Super Scary, some video game streaming, and a Star Wars review called Sequential Star Wars, in which I, Nicholas, and my good brother Andrew review the Star Wars films and TV shows in sequential chronological order. And with the shilling complete, please look forward to another video here on the official YouTube channel of Superdivorce.
We gonna go viral with this one.